Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to video, and today we're going to show you on how to convert ChatGPT to Grammarly for free, and it is very simple. So just open your Google Chrome on your PC or computer and then type out edit GPT. Okay, and then at the bottom you can see this website. So basically this is the extension website, so just click on it. And then at the right side you can see the add to Chrome, and then just click on it to install or add this to your Google Chrome. Okay, so you just wait and click on add extension. So you will then just have to wait until the installation is complete. So we're done here. So we just have to click on the X. Then you'll see something like this. Now let's go to ChatGPT. So regardless of the version of your ChatGPT, as long as you added the extension, it will still work. Okay, so here is the extension. So I'm going to pin this one for you to see. So this is the logo of the Edit GPT extension. So now let's try to paste here our paragraph. Okay, so the first line that we have to type out is proofread this. And after that, paste or type out your paragraph. Okay, and then right after that, as you can see at the top, you can see the Edit GPT extension. So to enable this feature, just click on it. And then as you can see here at the bottom, you can see the one that has a red line. It means that it will be removed. Okay, the one with the red one will be removed and the rest is okay. So let's try another paragraph that has more to fix. Okay, so let's just type out again, proofread this, and then right after that, just click on the send icon and then wait for it to process. So make sure to enable the Edit GPT extension. So as you can see here, you can see the one that has red lines or the color red. It means that it will be removed and the green one will stay there. So if you want a specific line to stay as it is, you will then just have to highlight that one and then click on the checked icon or the X icon. So if you will just follow all of those steps, you will be able to convert ChatGPT to Grammarly for free. Okay? And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful quick how-to videos next time. Adios.